It's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. It's like feeling bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life.
Ito ang Tribit Pocket Go 7 watts Bluetooth speaker. 7 watts ang power output, IP68 waterproof and drop proof at up to 20 hours ang battery life. Naka-easy codec na to para mas magandang audio resolution at may app support na. Kung dalawa yung ganito nyo, pwede nyo silang i-pair wirelessly via TWS or True Wireless stereo pairing. Ganito yung audio quality niya pag naka 50% volume.
We don't lie, get them bags in the cash, that's DIY, that's DIY. Ain't no trap, get them bags in the cash, that's what I like, that's what I like. Real bad bitch, yeah, she got it like that. Daddy fill it up, but that hand that bad. Real bad bitch, yeah, she got it like that. Daddy fill it up, but that hand that.
Ganito naman pag naka 70% volume. Ganito pag naka 100% max volume.
Wagon red seats, we on Biscayne. Trips to the Florida Keys, we imported these. Thanking God for the life He afforded me. All this jewelry on my body, I could like the hood. I need a brown skinned chick just like Megan Good. Holding up every promise that I ever made. Music in the background, it's a serenade. Been rapping 10 years, boy, this ain't a fade.
Meron akong good news. Pwedeng mapasayo to for free. Kasi magpapag-giveaway tayo ng 2 Tribit Pocket Go. Sobrang dali lang sumali kasi i-comment nyo lang kung anong nagustuhan nyo dito sa Tribit Pocket Go. Make sure mag-subscribe ka sa channel para updated ka sa announcement ng 2 lucky winners sa January 31, 2026. Pag umabot ng 10k likes tong video natin, magpapag-giveaway tayo ng 5 Tribit Pocket Go. Kaya sali na! Baka ikaw yung isa sa manalo nito.